How to log into your Fifth Third Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Fifth Third Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in Fifth Third Bank. After that, go to the first link, which is Fifth Third Bank or 53.com. Now once you're on the official homepage of Fifth Third Bank, you'll have to basically locate the login option, which will be on the top right side of your screen. Simply tap on it and then choose whether you'd like to log into your online banking or your commercial banking. And once you've done that, simply enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged in or signed into your Fifth Third Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot your login credentials such as your user ID or your password, you can simply reset them or recover them by tapping the option forgot login. And if this is your first time using or you are not yet enrolled to Fifth Third Bank's online banking account and services, you can simply register by tapping this link right over here. And once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully logged in to your Fifth Third Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.